you are a U.S. citizen or a green card holder looking to bring your foreign spouse to the United States, you are in the right place. Today we will be exploring getting a marriage-based green card in 2024. The first step in marriage-based process is to determine whether you are eligible to sponsor your foreign spouse. As a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, you have to prove that your relationship are genuine and not solely for immigration purposes. There are several key documents that you will need to collect in order to prove this. Here are some examples. Number 1, marriage certificate. This is an official document that proves legal union between you and your spouse. Next, joint financial documents. Collecting financial documents can be a very strong argument for the immigration services showing that your relationship are genuine. This can be joint tax returns, joint bank accounts, mortgage documents, lease documents, or joint credit card statements. Joint utility bills. Utility bills such as bills for gas, electricity, water with both your names can show that you share residence. Affidavits from family and friends. Sworn statements from knowledgeable people who know how your relationship developed, how you were interacting, who knows that your marriage are real, can also show to the immigration services that your marriage is genuine. These affidavits should detail your relationship, the way you met, the way you interacted with them, etc. Photographs. Make sure to include photographs from different stages of your relationship. Also, I always recommend to include photographs with your family and friends, showing that you open with your relationship and that a lot of people know that you are in a relationship. Next, communication records. Providing evidence of ongoing relationship can be a good indicator that your relationship didn't appear recently but were ongoing for some time. This can include phone records, emails, text messages, messages from social media, or any other forms of correspondence that you used in your relationship. Remember, the more evidence you provide to establish authenticity of your marriage, the stronger case you will have. It's very important to consult with an experienced attorney to make sure you provide the most relevant and persuasive evidence to strengthen your case. Additionally, you must demonstrate that you can financially support your spouse. For example, here are the numbers for the year 2023 showing how much money you should earn in order to be able to sponsor your spouse. Once all your evidence are collected, the next step is to prepare and file all necessary forms with the USCIS. For most cases, that involves filing Form I-130 petition for alien relative. This document establishes the relationship between U.S. citizen or a green card holder and their relative, in this case, foreign spouse. Along with the green card application, the petitioner should submit affidavit of support, Form I-864, showing that they are ready to financially support their spouse. This form requires the petitioner to provide the detailed information about income, assets, and other financial information. By signing this form, the petitioner legally commits to supporting their foreign spouse and agreeing not to become her a public charge until they become a U.S. citizen. Now let's move to the adjustment of status process. Once foreign spouse is in the United States on a non-immigrant visa or other status that makes them eligible to file for adjustment of status, they can file adjustment of status application. In order to file for adjustment of status application, foreign spouse should file Form I-485. Once your application is submitted, it is very important to prepare for an interview. USCIS officers will invite you for the interview in order to question you about your relationship. This interview can last between 20 minutes and few hours. Sometimes US officers can put you in different rooms in order to clarify some information. So it is very important to be ready for the interview and to be confident about your answers and to provide as much evidence as possible. Our team will provide you with the necessary guidance and help you to prepare for this crucial step. After the interview, most of the cases should be reviewed by the supervisor, and usually after that, USCIS will issue their decision. Once petition I-130 is approved, along with petition I-485 is approved, your spouse will receive a green card. If at the time of issuing a green card your marriage was less than 2 years, foreign spouse will first receive conditional green card. After 2 years, your foreign spouse will have to file for removal of conditions, and then after 1 year, they would be eligible to file for citizenship. However, if further evidence is needed, our team will be able to assist you in these matters. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe for our channel and put a questions, and I will do my best to record more videos to answer these questions.